welcome back again to my YouTube channel Neha English Hub with another video. How are you friends? I think all will be fit and fine. Today I want to discuss about something in a special topic. When I try to speak in English, people fun of me. People laugh at me. So, how to deal with this situation? How can I handle this situation when people laugh at me? When people mock at me? I don't have any idea. What should I do? When people laugh at me, when they see my broken English, so they start laugh at me. So what should I do? That time my confidence get low, my confidence decrease all of sudden. So this is the very biggest problem. So every learner face this problem. I also face this problem. So what should I do? So we don't have any idea. So in this situation, we should keep patience. We shouldn't be afraid of this problem, because when we learn something new, so the obstacles comes in our life. It is a natural. So don't afraid to the obstacles. It is my biggest problem as well. It's everyone biggest problem. They when they start speaking, so people start laughing at them. So I have some points. Finally I got the solution. How can I overcome this problem? So I'm going to share with you everyone, and this is the really very helpful for you when you are learning English. So it is a really powerful point for you. So my first point is the just behave like a child. Have you ever seen the child? How does he behave? He doesn't care about anything. When he born, firstly he observes to everyone. He wants to speak in his native language, but he is not able. First he observes how people they are speaking, and after 1 year later he tries to speak in English. It doesn't matter he is able to speak it or not. When the other people see him, so they entertain his talking, his when he tries to speak in English. It doesn't matter people making fun of him or not. uh, he start speaking only with the some words, some sentences, and we enjoy this moment. So you should do like a child. Just behave a child. It is a natural process. You can learn, but without worrying anything. If people make laugh of you, let them laugh. Don't think about it. Only focus to the learning. Uh, while learning, you can be confident, more confident gradually. And my next point is learning from the mistakes. You can learn from the mistakes. Mistakes are our friend. We do many time of the mistakes, but it doesn't mean that you can't achieve anything. If you are doing mistakes, so you are at least trying to do better. Work hard only and do better job. Definitely you will get all the things very easily. And learning is the first step to get your success. Learn from the mistakes only. My next point is just ignore the person who laugh at you. Have you ever think, if he is laughing to you, he is really able to laugh you? He is really able to speak English confidently? If he is not, so why are you so worried? Why are you think about him? He is laughing at me, so we shouldn't do it. Don't do this. If he is laughing at you, so let them laugh. Don't think a lot. Only focus to your learning and your speaking. Definitely, sooner or later, you will get uh, the thing, whatever you want to achieve. You, if your dream is big, so work on your dream only. If other person is laughing at you, so it is his thinking only. You shouldn't focus to his thinking. You should focus to your point of view, whatever you want to achieve in your life. And my last point is, you are the reason someone smiles. Mm, when someone laughs at you, when someone smiles at you, your confidence get low immediately. Is it right? No. Is it not right? Uh, Rather than, you should think you are the reason someone smiles, so you should be proud. At least you have a skill, you have the thing, because of you someone is smiling at you. So this is a skill as well. So take it is a positive manner, not in a negative manner. If you take it the positive, so definitely you can achieve your goal in your life, whatever dreams you have. It is up to your choice what you want to do in your life. If you want to quit, so just quit it. But if you quit, so what would happen after that? It Nothing would be happen. You can't change your life. But if you be patient, you continue with your journey, so definitely one day you will change your life. You will change your family life. Always concentrate your focus to your goal, not to the others. In starting, they will laugh at you, they will mock at you, but later they will, same person, definitely praise of you one day. So in starting, it's your struggle. So you have to decide what you have to do. Keep practicing and keep continuing. I think this video is the very helpful for you. If you really like this video, so please like, share, subscribe and follow for more videos. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye.